Here's how to log out of other devices on Instagram. Now you can see I have my iPhone as well as my Android. I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to find if there are other devices logged into your account, and then of course how to log them out. So we need to get to your settings. In both iPhone and Android, tap on the profile button at the bottom right, and then tap on the three lines at the top right. Now that we're in your settings, tap on Accounts Center at the top. And then next tap on Password and Security, again midway down. Scroll down from here, and at the bottom under Security Checks, tap on Where you're logged in. You'll be able to see various accounts, Facebook as well as Instagram, so choose Instagram in this case. And you can see activity, login, and you can see other accounts that I'm logged into. If I wanted to log out or kick these devices out, I can hit select devices to log out, and then choose which device I want to kick out of my account, and then just tap the log out button at the bottom and hit log out. This will kick them out of your account. Keep in mind, you can always do this across all the devices, and you can also change your password if you wanted to do that method to kick people off as well. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.